guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. So I'm already up and about. I'm at the mall. I'm going into the children's store. I'm going to Home Goods. I want to get a few ornaments for my Christmas tree. That's if they have any leave, but I will go in Ross and a few more stores to see if I can get some decorations. So continue watching guys, and let's get this vlog out there. Okay, so I'm going into the children's store like right now. Children's store outlet. So I'm heading into, and they have sales going on. Sale $3.99. Ooh. A lot of pinkies. I got what I wanted in Children's Place, and now I'm heading over to Home Goods. It is so cool and so nice. Which side is Home Goods? Guys, they don't have a thing in Home Goods. Well, they have stuff, but I cannot find what I want. They don't have a thing here in Home Goods. Okay, so I'm going in. Yes, I'm in Dallas. Okay, so I'm home. I got these ornaments in the Dollar Tree store, just a few. Checked in Home Goods, didn't get any, so I'm gonna put these on my Christmas tree now. So that is how my Christmas tree is looking for now.
Tips them as much in volume.
Texas Hold M.
Card packing. Is that your hand? Right? Deal half a deal 3 card right now. 1, 2, 3. Right? So look now. Me have 2 queen. We go bet. Cause you decide check them. You have a bet. You go put like.
Okay guys, so that's it for Vlogmas day 11. I think I'm done with my Christmas tree now. I don't want to overcrowd it, so that is it for now. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow on Vlogmas day 12. Bye. Peace out.